light so I can face my demons. Weakness seems to be that I cannot stop breathing. Death keeps cheating on my life, but now my soul is feeding.
Leaning to the fleeting up and in the street, screaming and needing, yelling and pleading. The things ain't as they seem. And Nika sneaking and tweaking because I can't stop seeking. This pain, this torture of horror that I'm always conceding.
You must learn to obey. You must learn to obey. You must learn. You must learn to obey.
The bloody mess, keeping a motherfucking devil hot. Satanic mentality happily making the bodies drop. I'm on the block, circling cops, ready for dead demise. Screams resonate through the night so I can't close my eyes.
Hard to swallow when the hollows enter through your throat. Lately I wallow in my sorrow cause I cannot cope. The dope, the coke, the drink, the lean, the pills, the extra smoke. The book, the choke, the pain away, I'm broken till I croak. Oh.
Baby, let me get the keys to the Rover truck. Baby, let me get the weed that's more for us. When these suckers leave, yeah, we can smoke a blunt and fuck. I'm bustin' nothing now, it's time to get the fuck about my grip. Yeah, here's a couple bucks. Picture modding up, creeping out the cup. Blood seeping out my cup with the shotty cuff. You might escape the time begun because I'm busy puffing blunts. But soon enough you'll come back round, you screaming like me up. Please box me up, I got you sucker. Start the flame and turn your body into dust. Smoke your body in the blunt. Copy us, I light it up.
Free me. Release me. Burst into flame.
We programmed your brain to conduct.
And a swish a lip, drug kick, got a half hit with the ass hit. Can't quit, I'm an addict, so dramatic. In a manic, feeling panic, I need a Xanax. Pass it as I hold it, real slowly, lonely, looking ghostly, surrounded by smoky. Mirror images of a fictionist over me. Don't give a fuck behind me, I'm drug until I R.I.P.
Take a hit, the ass have been a while since the trip. Now I see you know the shit, brain glowing, everything was bending in the same motion. Roll the blunt, I take a hit, start staring at the smoke as it twists and disappears. Peer pressure don't affect me, bitch, I take drugs on my own. Pop up Perkins, throw some coke. It feel like my heart is broke because I get fucked up when I feel alone. I'm choking on this podium, I'm hoping that I don't breathe, bitch, I'm dope back like you know me. Shoot me up so I can know deep.
Up